से 1 साल के बाद भी ये सब कर रहा हूँ। मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि पहली बार मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, इतने सारे लोग साथ में देखने को मिलता है और ये पहला इवेंट है मेरा। और तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ लोगों को मिलने के लिए, आप लोगों से। सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस इवेंट। हाँ जी, मिड डे के बारे में इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि जब से मैं पहली बार मुंबई आया था तब से मैं मिड डे ही पढ़ रहा हूँ, रोज़ पढ़ रहा हूँ। और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि द पेपर गोज़ ऑन फॉर एवर, क्योंकि ये ताज़ा खबर लाती है हमारे लिए, एंड वी एंजॉय द पेपर। जी,
आपका लॉकडाउन पीरियड कैसा रहा जानना चाहेंगे? लाइक एवरीवन वाज नॉट इनसाइड, तो आपका लॉकडाउन कैसा रहा?
मेरा लॉकडाउन बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। फैमिली के साथ कुछ काफ़ी समय बिताया और फिटनेस और हेल्थ पे काफ़ी ध्यान भी दिया, तो मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। और अगर देखा जाए तो द प्लैनेट ऑल्सो बिकेम से पोल्यूशन भी इतना कम हो गया, सो इट वॉज अ गुड टाइम फॉर मी। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Midday show with award. How does it feel to be here?
It feels great. First award show after so long, and excited to be here. Excited to get out of the house and see beautiful people all dressed up.
COVID situation actually, an award going on. Does it really make a difference actually?
हाँ, अभी डिफरेंस हो रहा है क्योंकि आप मास्क नहीं पहन रहे हो सर।
मैं भी पहले पहचाना नहीं।
I understand who you are. I think that's the hardest thing is, everybody should wear a mask. And अगर आप mask पहनोगे, then, everybody's risk also goes down, people who are around you. So it's just a matter of being safe and understanding your surroundings. I call my team and myself the mask police. सबको बोलते हैं mask पहनो. But, it's our households and our families that we have to keep safe.
Do you feel like after this pandemic, actually one more accessory has come up, like mask also you have received. You had a matching mask.
Yep, my matching mask.
Yeah. What did you say about it?
Yes, of course. Having a matching mask with your gown is the best, and Swap Mill made a beautiful gown, but he also made a beautiful mask.
Professionally, we're talking about how was this thing? Maybe during the pandemic, still professionally, working wise, were you working? What all things you did during this?
Right, so I only just came back. It's been a few weeks now, and we left for California in Los Angeles for, I think it was 7 महीने के लिए. So बहुत लंबा सफ़र हो गया था वहाँ, and now it's time to be home, time to come back to work, time to come back to where I want to be, and so does my family.
One last question: any New Year's plan actually to share? Yeah.
New Year's? I'm going to be in Calcutta for a New Year's, very small New Year's event.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि बहुत मेहनत की थी इसके ऊपर हमने, रात अकेली के ऊपर एंड मैं ऑफ कोर्स जैसे हनीत रेहन है, पंकज हैं, स्मिता है जो राइटर थी, उनको बहुत मुबारकबाद उनको भी देना चाहूँगा। उनका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है इस फिल्म को वहाँ तक पहुँचाने में, और जितने भी मेरे फेलो एक्टर्स हैं उनको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि उन्होंने बहुत ही अमेजिंग काम किया उस फिल्म में।
सर मिड डे के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? दिस इज आइडियली द फर्स्ट इवेंट जो हम कर रहे हैं पूरे लॉकडाउन एंड कोविड सिनेरियो।
आई थिंक ये पहला मेरा भी आफ्टर लॉकडाउन मेरा भी पहला वो है ये इवेंट है, और मिड डे जिस तरीके से इस इवेंट को बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक बना रहा है, तो आई होप कि वो नेक्स्ट ईयर भी उसी तरीके से होगा और कंटिन्यू रखेगा अपनी वो ऑथेंटिसिटी।
आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहिए?
मेरी फ़िलहाल जनवरी में मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ संगीत, और उसके बाद तुषार नंदी की फिल्म है जोगिरा, और उसके बाद लाइट और काफ़ी पूरा लाइनअप है। लेट्स सी।
काफी रूमर्स ये आ रहे कि AK वर्सेस AK में आपका एक कैमियो नजर आने वाला है, उसके बारे में कुछ बता दीजिए।
हाँ, वो मैंने एक वॉइस ओवर है मेरा फ़ोन पे, अनुराग से बात है और मुझे बताया था कि इस तरह का कुछ है, तो मैंने कर दिया वो, क्योंकि अनुराग तो ऐसी चीज़ है, वो कुछ भी बोलेंगे मुझे, अगर झाड़ू देने के लिए भी बोलेंगे सेट पे तो मैं वो भी कर दूंगा उनके लिए सब कुछ हाजिर है मेरा। थैंक यू।
And nervous also. This is the first time I'm attending a function like this. Mask is right here. I was just going to come up for this. But I mean, we have to get back to normal, and I'm very happy to be here at Midday Showbiz Awards. I believe it's the second year. I wish them all the best. I'm very happy to be here and excited to see what's in store. Thank you.
How does it feel to be a part of Midday Showbiz Icon Awards?
Well, Midday in itself is iconic because ever since I've been around, I've always read the Midday, and that's a part of my everyday Mumbaikar lively, lifestyle. And I think so. Mumbai would be incomplete without Midday, and therefore, I think this iconic night is dedicated more to Midday than anything else.
You're an icon by yourself. So how does it feel coming into the entertainment space after such a big year?
Well, when I started my career, I remember the first big news, even before my first film came out, on me, was in Midday. And ever since, it's been a great relationship, mostly good, sometimes bitter, but mostly sweet. But I love the fact that Midday celebrates us and gives us a chance to communicate with so many readers, the rest of Mumbai, and connect with them on a heart-to-heart. And that's why I love Midday.
सिविक से आपने आज जॉन पॉल सर के बर्थडे पे बहुत ही अमेजिंग थ्रोबैक पिक्चर शेयर की है, उसके बारे में कुछ यादें शेयर करना चाहेंगे, जॉन सर को कुछ विशेष देना चाहेंगे?
Well, हम लोग अपने आप को जब देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम बहुत यंग हैं, लेकिन हमको फिर रियलाइज़ होता है कि अब हम सबको 15-15, 18-18 साल हो गए. So we have also suddenly started becoming seniors now. So throwback picture with John was from 2004. जब हमने साथ में एक फिल्म की थी काल इन कॉर्बेट, एंड वी हैड सो मच फन. हम एक दूसरे की बहुत खिंचाई भी करते थे, एक दूसरे पे प्रैंक्स भी खेलते थे, और विद द वन एंड ओनली लेजेंडरी अजय देवगन, हु इज़ द अल्टीमेट प्रैंकस्टर, हमने बहुत मस्ती की. सो दैट वाज अ ग्रेट शूट इन कॉर्बेट, एंड टुडे वाज हिज बर्थडे. ही शेयर्स हिज बर्थडे विद माय फादर and with Bhau, with Ritesh Deshmukh. So it's a special day, and I decided to reach out to all of them and send them my love. Cheers, guys.
So Shreyas, you're getting an award for contribution to theatre and performing arts. How does it feel?
Well, it feels wonderful. In fact, to be very honest, my contribution to theatre and performing arts will begin now with the new platform, the new OTT platform that we're launching, which is dedicated to theatre and performing arts. So I'm glad that Midday Showbiz Icon decided to encourage me with this particular award. I guess the journey has just begun for me. Yeah.
We could say life comes a full circle for you from that to the OTT platform.
Obviously, yeah. I mean, I started with theatre, and to receive an award for that, obviously, it's a huge, huge honor. Somewhere, I think the whole fact that theatre getting recognized is also a big thing for me, and at the same time, all performing artists. So, thank you once again. See you guys.
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं आज यहाँ पे मुझे इनवाइट किया गया है. बहुत ज़्यादा. हम लोग जाएंगे अंदर तब पता चलेगा और कितना मज़ा. आई लव गोल्ड. बहुत ज़्यादा बचपन से पसंद है गोल्ड, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. ये 1.5 kg है. नहीं, ये कम है बहुत. वैसे तो मैं 6 kg पहनता हूँ.
तभी आपको डर नहीं लगता होगा इतने गोल्ड?
सिक्योरिटी होती है और आप सब लोग हो ना.
कुछ कहना चाहिए आपके फैंस?
नहीं, थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया भावनी जी ने. ओके, थैंक यू.
quite. I think this is my first live event after, COVID happened to all of us. So yeah, it feels like deja vu. It feels like very special. It feels like we're getting back to normal. So it's special for so many reasons. And I think almost after a year, we are coming together again and celebrating showbiz. A lot of people are going to, be awarded who fairly deserve it. And it's a very special moment for all of us to restart life as we had known it.
What do you want to say about Midday? Like, it's a bit, what do you have to say about Midday? Who has organized?
I think Midday is a publication that has been with us for so long. It's like almost we've grown together with it. And there is a sort of authenticity, there is a sort of reliability that I associate Midday with, and especially the afternoon features. So yeah, I think that's the USP, and I really respect Midday as a publication, and I think all of us do. So I'm glad that they put together this event, and thankful to them because this is one way of celebrating our work. So very thankful to that.
Even you're getting award tonight, so उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताना चाहिए?
I mean, again, thanks to Midday and all the jury members and whosoever have, thought that I deserve it. I'm very deeply touched and humbled. And also, thanks to the audience who've kind of supported me this whole journey, who've loved me and appreciated my work. And they are the ones who motivate me to do better and reach higher heights.
Okay, lastly, what sort of project in your pipeline? Like, we know a lot of projects is happening. Like, what sort of project?
So Criminal Justice Season 2 is getting released on the 24th of December. I hope जैसे हमने आपको Season 1 में entertain किया था, हम आगे भी करें Season 2 में, and I hope the audiences appreciate it and give it as much love. Then there is a movie that I did with Devendu Sharma as a lead, मेरी देश की धरती. That might come early next year. Ashram 2 is in the making, Asur 2 is in the making. There's another show that I've just shot for. I can't talk much about it because it's not been really, publicized yet. And there's another show that will start again somewhere March. So let's see. Thank you.
I'm very happy to be here, to be a part of Midday Showbiz Awards. In fact, Midday and the Jagran Group, they have been forerunner, they have been leaders in terms of providing apt information to we citizens, which is a healthy basis for a robust democracy.
And you've always been encouraging events that is related to, goodness, health, and of course you're an amazing singer yourself. How does it feel encouraging art and culture?
In fact, this is the basis of our country. Our country is known for art and culture. Our industry has made us proud. Mumbai is a well-known place, mainly because of the film industry and the artisans we have here in Mumbai. So I'm proud that they are being awarded. They have a great influence on our culture. They have a great influence on the overall conduct of our population.
Well, is it possible to give us one line?
Right. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
हो गया क्या लग रहा है? ये तो इनका सेकंड टाइम. क्या हुआ? माइक पे बोलूं? अच्छा, ये है माइक. यहाँ सेंटर में रख देना भाई, ऐसे रख देना. हाँ, बस माय बेस्ट विशेस फॉर मिड डे शोबिज. और आई थिंक इट्स द सेकंड टाइम दे आर इट्स हैपनिंग. तो पहली बार भी मैं आया था और आई एम फॉर्चुनेट अगेन. और कोविड के बाद आई थिंक दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट फंक्शन विच आई एम अटेंडिंग. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि एक साल से तो हम लोग कहीं बाहर निकले ही नहीं. और बस जो बहुत वीर हैं जो बाहर निकल रहे हैं, हम तो इतने वीर हैं नहीं जो बाहर निकले, आज निकले पहली बार. तो बस अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड सबको मेरी शुभकामनाएं, मिड डे को भी और आप सब लोगों को भी जो भी सामने खड़े हैं. भाई अपना ख्याल रखें, टेक केयर. और मास्क नाक पे नीचे नहीं रखें, नाक के ऊपर रखें. चलिए
इवेंट और बस बहुत अच्छी इवनिंग होने वाली है. और बहुत दिनों के बाद आफ्टर पैंडेमिक दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट इवेंट. सो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है. और ये बहुत स्पेशल इवनिंग है हमारे लिए क्योंकि एज माई वर्क get appreciated and acknowledged with this lovely trophy. So this is a very special evening for us. Thank you.
मैंने तो सब कुछ कह दिया इन्होंने. मिड डे अवार्ड हमारे लिए आज इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि क्योंकि मुझे अवार्ड मिल रहा है, तो नाइस फीलिंग टुडे मिड डे अवार्ड। तो थैंक यू सो मच कि हमें यहाँ पर इनवाइट किया है, और मतलब थैंक यू सो मच मिड डे ग्रुप।
थैंक यू।
आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आज अवार्ड के लिए यहाँ पर आना हुआ। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
मैं हमेशा अवार्ड्स जो है इज़ अ वे टू अप्रिशिएट आर्टिस्ट्स, यू नो। आप अगर कोई अच्छा काम करते हो, उसे अगर कोई सराहता है, तो वो हमेशा आर्टिस्ट्स के लिए एक्साइटिंग होता है। सो यस, आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ ग्रेट इवनिंग। आई वुड से मिड डे हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन काइंड। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर निकलती नहीं हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो इधर उधर जाती नहीं हूँ, बट वेन एवर मिड डे हैज़ रिटन एन आर्टिकल ऑन मी, दे हैव बीन रियली काइंड, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई एम वेयरिंग अ बॉबी के, जो मेरी टीम ने स्टाइल किया है, एक्सो एक्सो टैलेंट, एंड आई एम really excited. I think I'm actually looking pretty today.
Okay, Tia, how much excited are you? Because after the lockdown, this is the award show first attended rehearsal.
Okay, I'm going to tell you guys, after the lockdown, I think this is the first time I've dressed up and I've come out. So I was a little nervous because वो एक आदत होती है आपकी, you know, to do your hair, to just put on a good dress and everything. वो शायद पिछले 8-9 महीनों में छूट गई थी, but now slowly we're getting back into it. So today was like 5 minutes. I just wanted to look at myself. Okay, I'm looking nice.
Okay, lockdown सभी के लिए काफी disappointing रहा है. How was your experience?
See, it was disappointing because मैं travel करने वाली थी, बहुत सारे plans जो है postpone किए मैंने, लेकिन in a way it was a very creative lockdown for me and Aryan of course. We created so many good songs, and you know, I think for us it was interesting because we came up with a lot of good ideas and a lot of new things. So it was okay, not that bad.
Okay, any upcoming project?
Yes, definitely. I am doing an English film called Dear Mom. जिसके लिए I'm just waiting for them to open the travel so I can travel. And of course, my music album is going to come next month. So there are a few things in pipeline. Thank you.
Actually, it's been a year that I haven't been out, so this is first time I'm coming out of the house actually. So it's nice. It's good to see so many people, and it's back to action again. I think back to life and entertainment. Thank you all.
Introducing her is about showbiz. So I think this is the best place to be because Midday is the place where we all get seen. We've been seen for years, and I think magic happens at Midday.
I mean, it feels so great to be here and to be invited for Midday Showbiz. Like Leslie sir rightly said, we're all about showbiz and entertainment. So it's fabulous to be here, and what great opportunity. Just my album has launched and I'm here today. So it's amazing.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm really, I'm feeling awesome to be here in Midday Award, and thanks for calling me to present the award. Thank you.
Yujwan, how much excited are you for today's Midday Showbiz?
Yeah, very excited. You know, the whole year has been very depressing because of COVID. So good to have a few award shows happening, and good to be here. You know, excited to see what's going on inside.
Okay, after lockdown, you're attending first award show.
Yeah.
कैसा लग रहा है? Like lockdown में एकदम बंद और finally everything is open.
Yeah, I mean it's a good feeling क्योंकि इतने टाइम से we've been locked in and even if we are shooting then we don't have that much time to go out and do anything. So I think it's good to have a few award shows now and it's a nice feeling to see people together and people getting awards and that's very important. I know, I mean, we are also hoping कि सुशांत को justice मिले. We've been fighting for that for a long time. But it's a government inquiry. End of the day, we have to wait. What are the answers? There's a delay in the inquiry. We feel there's a delay. So we all just feel that we hope कि justice मिले. But as I've said, अगर it takes a political turn, then it's very difficult to get things going. So I just hope that the right thing is done. I think political pressure है और कुछ नहीं है. मतलब I personally feel that politics is bigger than the case and that's what's taken the shape. So political pressure की वजह से आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहा. I think that's the only reason.